remember when I went to the really free market and scored this hilarious bakeabone? Well, today we're going to see if it's actually going to bake some bones. Now, I did a bit of research, and apparently this came out in around 2013 and was one of those infomercial as seen on TV products. Now, I was still in Europe, so I have no idea. They don't appear to make it anymore. My machine does work, so yeah, I got my helpers here and of course the taste tester. So let's get baking some bones!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
It comes with a recipe book, and today we're going to be making the peanut butter treats for our dog. First, put 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of milk too, half a tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of peanut butter. Mix it up really well.
So we have our bakeabone machine all plugged in, and both the lights are on here, so I'm guessing that means that it's ready to rock. And I'm just going to carefully put some of this batter into each of the lower bone shapes, as it says in the instructions. This is not easy. What a mess. Okay, now I'm sure this is going to make kind of a mess because I think I put too much in, but we'll see. Now we're going to close it up for 8 to 10 minutes and see what we get. Alrighty, let's do the big reveal and see if we baked some bones. Whew. Yeah, they actually smell pretty good and kind of have the consistency of waffles. But I guess this is just kind of basically a waffle maker, right? So let's let these bad boys cool and we'll make some more and do the big taste test with the boy Jack. So I wasn't super happy with the consistency of that first batch, so I went ahead and added a bit more milk to the batter to make it a little bit more fluid, and I think this might work better. Okay, so we now are finished our lovely little bakeabones, and we actually made half a recipe and managed to get 23 of these groovy little peanut butter treats using just half a recipe. So yay! Now it is taste test time, and we shall see how you like it. How is it? That's good. Do you love it? Love it. Oh, good boy. Yummy, yummy. But I think maybe you would prefer a cupcake, right? Yeah. Now, if you would love to make your own adorable little treat stand like this from thrift shop materials, I'll put the link below and then you can head on over and make one of those. And if you do actually happen to find a bakeabone in the thrift store or for a really cheap price, go ahead and get it. And yeah, it does work. But, you know, you really can make these treats just by using a waffle maker if you have one, or even, you know, by putting it just in the oven at like 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. I'll put the recipe we use down below so you can make your own dog treats, kid treats, I guess, as well. And yeah, head on over to Confessions of a Refashionista at AwesomeSauceAssHattery.com, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.